Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we can see that price of gold has moved continuously down after touching a high of around 2071, and if you look at the chart after that, what we have seen, a continuous red candle has formed. Okay, so now what is the thing that is that will tell us where the trend has moving. Okay, before that, if you have any doubt regarding gold position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical end gold is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. Now look at the chart. Okay, if you look at the chart, what we can see that continuously that the trend of gold with this particular candle, we have seen it has come down. Okay, and the most important thing is that it is trying to make a U pattern. Okay, so if the price sustain this particular level, we can see that. Okay, so now suppose if the price sustain this level, okay, now currently trading at around 1921.20. suppose if the price sustain this level, then we can see yes, it can move to a level of 1927, and if this level 1931.89, if this particular level sustain, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 1953. Okay, and if that level sustain, then we can see it can move towards a level of 1951. Okay, and if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 1963. Okay, and if the price sustain come to this level of or if it goes above a level of 1961, then what we can see that this level is already being tested here. Okay, so probability will be high, we can see it can touch a level of 1966. Okay, and once if it touch the level of 1966, then we can see a probability of touching a level of 1978 is high. Okay, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of, if it sustain a level of 1978. Okay, so suppose if the price goes above a level of 1968, so keep this in mind, if the price goes touch a level of around 1975, what we can see that 1978 is already being tested here twice. Okay, so probability will be high. Sorry, 1978, if it goes the price, and this is not tested here, so if the price touch this level, and probability of going upside will be this, and if this level sustain, then we can see as probability of going towards a level of 1987.5 is high. And if it goes above, that means if it comes close to a level of 1988, we can see it can touch a level of 1991, and this 1991 is already being tested here, so probability will be very high, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 2013. Okay, and once 2013 is touched, then we can see yes, it can go further upside towards a level of 2051.66, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 2079. Okay, and once if it touch this level 2079, which is already being tested here, so probability will be high, we can see a level of 2080 to 2090, and it can make a new high. Okay, but suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see yes, probability will be high, we can see it can move further low towards a level of if this level didn't sustain, we can see it can touch a level of 1904, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 1895. suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 1878, and from there we can see it can go further low towards a level of 1854. and suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of 1833, and if that goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 1816. and suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 1799, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 1788. Okay, and suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can fall further towards a level of 1762, and from there we can see it can cross a level of 1741. Okay, and suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 1720, which is already being tested here, so chances of going further low towards a level of 716 below 1700 is high. Okay, so probability will be high, if it goes below 1870, we can see the trend will change towards downside, or if it goes below a level of 1876, we can see as trend will change towards a lower side. Okay, and then we can see it will move in this particular range. Okay, so now So if you are investing for a longer view, then the every dip is an investing opportunity. You can invest. And but if you are trading, but these are all my personal view which I'm sharing. Okay, so suppose if you're trading with $10,000, okay, so always try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital, that is around 1000 to 1500, and your risk should be 0.5 to 1%, that is around $50 to $100. Okay, that is if you take 5 trade also, you know your risk is $500 max. Okay, and your so that you can be relaxed and you can trade next day with a relaxed mind. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.